It is important to have the event analysis framework in mind when preparing financial statements. In this course, we will start with a recap of a template that we can use for capturing economic events. Then, we will perform event analysis using the simplified example of a startup company to see how an accounting system captures economic events. The idea here is to get a feel for the lens through which an accounting system views economic activity and see what the account system is and isn't capturing. It will also help illustrate how the accounting system forces economic events into the accounting framework that will eventually generate financial statements. After the event analysis segment, we will prepare financial statements from the cumulative information that we captured via an event analysis.